Hi everyone, it's Helen here and you are watching MotoCMS January Digest. I am proud to open this digest with 3 the most significant January updates. Let's begin with the major one. MotoCMS is now officially compatible with PHP 7. This means that any MotoCMS template can be installed on the server which supports PHP 7 and thus work way faster. The second update to mention, the launch of pop-up feature. Unlimited in its amount, fully responsive, it will allow you to implement all marketing tasks on your website with no problems. Our e-commerce project has been greatly improved as well. Now clients of your e-store will have an opportunity to pay via web money, one of the most popular payment systems. Take a look at our fresh industrial multipurpose template. It was created for different niches such as plastic, chemical and textile industries. It is important to know that this 30 pages template is built on blocks, which makes its editing much faster and easier. The template is designed in white and deep blue colors. Indeed, this should be your #1 choice if you need an industrial website that looks reliable and approachable at the same time. I am happy to show you our January bestsellers. Yep, you're right, not the one bestseller as it was before, but 20 best-selling MotoCMS templates of this month. As you all know, we used to provide 40% off for our bestsellers, but this time we applied discount to any of these 20 templates. Don't miss your chance to get one of these incredible templates at exclusive reduced price. Just use promo code BESTSELLER. By the way, you can check our 20 bestsellers in our recent post of MotoCMS blog. Visit motocms.com/blog for details. In order to keep up with the times, every web developer should be aware of the 2018 web design trends. Here are 3 the most substantial of them. First one, shadows. For web designers, drop shadows are as old as time. However, it's the new spin that web design takes in 2018. So if you go for complex layouts, simply drop shadows here and there to help your users to see what is the most important. While many trends and techniques in web design come and go, one that remains constant is color. Ultraviolet was announced as the color of the year by the Pantone Color Institute, and here are some inspiring examples for you. If you watch the latest design trends carefully, you'll see that in 2018 visual impact gradually takes the floor. One more trend that proves this is growing popularity of 3D effects in web design. So in 2018 we'll see a greater number of spacious and immersive designs that let the 3D and 2D spaces interact with each other and create the digital landscapes that we've never imagined before. In the description box you will find links to the articles from our blog with more detailed information on web design trends, marketing in social networks and SEO. If you like this video, give us your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned!